Biohoma 3D printed wooden house. In today's world, 3D printers can use many different materials such as plastic, concrete, and steel. Researchers in the United States decided to experiment with wood-based materials as well. A joint team combined wood fibers and resins sourced from the local timber industry and used them to print a house called Biohoma 3D. The house was printed in 4 separate modules and then assembled into a complete structure. It measures about 57 square meters and includes all essential living spaces such as a kitchen, bedroom, living room, and bathroom. One of the biggest advantages of this house is sustainability. When the building reaches the end of its life cycle, the materials can be completely recycled. Biohoma 3D is considered the world's first 3D printed house made primarily from bio-based materials, making it a more environmentally friendly and affordable alternative to conventional homes. Sanfoot, ultra-thin wooden veneer wallpaper. A Japanese company called Hakusen once set an industry record by slicing veneer as thin as 0.2 millimeters. Building on that achievement, they later developed an innovative product called Sanfoot, a beautifully designed wooden veneer wallpaper. This wallpaper has a patented 5-layer structure, including a layer of aluminum foil, which gives it excellent durability. Because of this design, the wallpaper is fire-resistant and flexible enough to bend at a 90-degree angle without damage. Despite having the appearance of real wood panels, it is only about 0.3 millimeters thick, meaning it does not significantly reduce room space. It can be applied like ordinary wallpaper and works on many different surfaces. Today, Sanfoot is used to decorate not only private homes but also hotels, concert halls, and public buildings, giving interiors a stylish natural wood appearance. Wood flexible wooden membrane. Compared to countries with a long tradition in woodworking, the French workshop ARA, founded in 2009, is relatively young. However, it has quickly gained attention for its creative approach to wood design. One of its most impressive innovations is Wood, a flexible veneered membrane that can change shape and return to its original form. Designers can use this material to create 3-dimensional structures on walls. For example, wood panels can form small pockets that hold books, smartphones, or other items, transforming unused wall space into functional storage. The material is so flexible that it can also be used to create fashion accessories, including handbags and decorative boxes. Wood shows how traditional wood materials can be reimagined in modern design to create both practical and artistic solutions. Woodcrete, wood and cement composite material. Woodcrete is a construction material that was originally invented in the 1930s, yet it continues to be widely used and improved today. The material is made using a mixture of Portland cement, sawdust, and wood chips, along with chemical additives such as sodium silicate. This combination creates a lightweight yet practical building material. One of its biggest advantages is its low weight. A cubic meter of woodcrete weighs about half as much as the same volume of brick, making transportation and construction easier. It is also easy to cut, which simplifies installation and modification during building projects. Additionally, the material's porous structure makes it easier to apply plaster on the surface. However, it does have some disadvantages, including permeability to strong wind. Despite this limitation, woodcrete continues to be used in both commercial and residential construction, proving its long-lasting value. Know-how's technology glue-free wooden houses. In Austria, experts developed an innovative construction method known as Know-how's technology. This technique involves building vertical timber houses without the use of glue, insulation, or chemical treatments. The system offers several practical benefits for construction projects. Each element in the building kit is relatively lightweight, with the heaviest piece weighing only about 15 kilograms, making it ideal for construction sites where heavy machinery cannot be used. Another major advantage is the high load capacity of the vertical wall elements, which is 8 times stronger than horizontal ones. The structure is also extremely stable, so builders do not need additional formwork systems during the finishing process. The first Know-how's house was built in the Austrian Alps in 2000, and today the technology is successfully used in countries such as Germany, France, and Italy. Defense adhesive membrane, protection for wooden structures. During transportation and construction, wooden components of a building must be protected from environmental damage. The defense adhesive membrane is designed specifically for this purpose. It is a transparent, self-adhesive protective film that allows workers to easily write or mark measurements directly on its surface. The membrane is waterproof, protecting wooden materials from rain and moisture, while still allowing water vapor to pass through, which prevents condensation buildup. Another advantage is its lightweight design, weighing about 200 grams per square meter, making it easy to handle during installation. According to the manufacturer, the advanced formula provides protection for up to 12 weeks. This product is sold by Rotoblaze, a company operating in more than 70 countries and known for producing tools, equipment, fasteners, and other supplies for woodworking projects. UPB. UPB is a well-known industrial construction company in the Baltic region that specializes in large-scale engineering and infrastructure projects. The company provides comprehensive services that guide clients through every stage of construction, starting from the initial consultation and design phase to the final completion of complex structures. Their expertise covers engineering design, manufacturing of structural components, and installation, making them a key partner in major European construction developments. One of UPB's notable projects includes their contribution to Sweden's Grid 17 building, a large structure covering approximately 5,900 square meters and featuring 2 rooftop terraces. In this project, UPB not only participated in the design process, but also manufactured essential structural components such as precast concrete sandwich panel facades, which improve energy efficiency and structural durability. Another important project is the Mary Elizabeth Hospital in Denmark, an 8-story medical facility scheduled for completion in 2027. For this project, UPB produced advanced facade blocks that arrive at the construction site already equipped with glazing, electrical wiring, ventilation systems, and fire safety elements. This prefabrication approach significantly speeds up construction and ensures high quality, because many components are assembled in controlled factory conditions. Temporary wall systems. Temporary wall systems has developed a highly versatile solution designed to create temporary barriers in different environments. While these walls are commonly used on construction sites to separate work areas, their usefulness goes far beyond that. For example, hospitals often use these barriers to isolate construction zones from medical areas so that renovation or repair work can continue without disturbing patients or medical staff. By providing a clean and secure separation, these walls help maintain safety and efficiency in sensitive environments where uninterrupted operations are essential. Another interesting application of temporary wall systems was demonstrated during a stadium project. In that case, the walls were used to build special corridors for soccer players. These corridors allowed athletes to move between different areas of the stadium without being constantly approached by fans asking for autographs or photos. This simple but effective solution helped players stay focused before matches, while also improving crowd management within the stadium. The company also offers customization options to meet different project needs. Clients can request additional features such as doors, windows, code locks, and ventilation systems. The durability of these walls comes from their 3-layer construction, which includes an aluminum front panel, a galvanized steel back panel, and a 38mm polyurethane core in the middle. This layered structure provides both strength and insulation, making the system reliable for a wide range of temporary construction and event environments. Pooler S Smart Pool Alarm System. Pooler S is considered by its creators to be one of the most advanced swimming pool alarm systems available today. Unlike traditional pool alarms that only activate when someone actually falls into the water, this system takes a much more proactive approach. It uses artificial intelligence algorithms combined with a 140-degree camera to monitor not only the pool itself but also the surrounding area. This means the system can detect potential dangers before an accident even occurs, providing an extra layer of safety for homes with pools. The AI technology allows Pooler S to recognize different types of movement and objects. It can distinguish between a person and a dog, identify inanimate objects, and ignore harmless disturbances like water ripples. When the system detects something suspicious, it immediately triggers 3 simultaneous alerts. First, it sends notifications to preset phone numbers. Second, it activates a 110 decibel siren near the pool. Third, it triggers an 85 decibel alarm inside the house, ensuring that residents are quickly aware of the situation. The device is designed to operate efficiently with minimal maintenance. It is powered by a 9 1000 mAh battery that is continuously recharged using a 6-watt solar panel, making it energy efficient and reliable even during extended use. With its combination of smart monitoring and automatic alerts, Pooler S provides homeowners with a powerful safety system for around $199. Pit Boss Red Rock 3 Series Gas Smoker. Pit Boss is a well-known manufacturer of barbecues, grills, smokers, and outdoor cooking accessories. Their engineering team focuses on incorporating useful features even into their more affordable products. One example is the Red Rock 3 Series Gas Smoker, a versatile cooking device designed for people who enjoy smoked meats and slow cooking but want a user-friendly setup. This smoker includes a professional-grade temperature indicator that helps users maintain precise control during cooking. The adjustable heat range goes from 30°C to 160°C, allowing it to handle a wide variety of foods, from delicate fish to slow smoked ribs. Many of its internal components are porcelain-coated, which improves durability and makes cleaning easier after long cooking sessions. More advanced Pit Boss models include additional upgrades such as digital control panels, improved insulation, and easy grease removal systems. These enhancements allow the smoker to reach temperatures of up to 107 degrees while maintaining consistent heat. With a starting price of around $330, the Red Rock 3 Series offers a practical and accessible option for anyone interested in outdoor smoking and barbecue cooking. Aquaria Water from Air System. Aquaria is an innovative device designed to produce clean drinking water directly from the air. The technology takes advantage of the fact that the atmosphere naturally contains moisture, even in relatively dry environments. Aquaria extracts this moisture and processes it through several stages, including purification, sanitation, and mineralization, ultimately producing safe and drinkable water for everyday household needs. The system can serve either as a primary water source or as a backup supply for homes that want additional security in case of water shortages. The standard Aquaria model is capable of generating around 90 liters of water per day, which is enough for basic household tasks such as drinking, cooking, and washing. For larger households or commercial needs, a high-capacity version can produce up to 1,000 liters per day. Operating costs depend mainly on electricity consumption, as the system uses approximately 330 watts per liter of produced water. To improve efficiency and reduce operating expenses, the system can also be paired with solar panels. The base model of Aquaria is priced at about $3,499, making it an advanced but practical solution for regions where water access is limited or unreliable. Recycle It Smart Kitchen Waste System. Recycle It is an innovative waste management system designed to keep kitchens cleaner and free from unpleasant odors. In most homes, food scraps, packaging, and other waste are collected in small bins and only taken out when the bag is full. This often leads to bad smells and attracts insects. Recycle It simplifies the process by allowing homeowners to send their kitchen waste directly to the main outdoor garbage bin, without storing it inside the kitchen for long periods. The system works through a simple but clever design that uses hydraulic doors and small garbage chutes. When waste is dropped into the system, it travels through the chute straight to the main bin. Ventilation is handled using the Venturi effect, which helps remove odors and maintain airflow. At the same time, sealed doors prevent flies, insects, and other pests from entering the system, keeping the kitchen environment hygienic. Recycle It is particularly suitable for multi-story houses, where carrying trash downstairs can be inconvenient. By connecting different floors to the same disposal system, it makes waste management faster and easier for residents. With its practical design and convenience, the system is offered at a price of about $899, making it an appealing solution for modern homes. Or Printed Homes. Or Printed Homes is transforming both the construction industry and environmental sustainability by introducing robotic technology to build houses using recycled plastic. The company became the first in the world to use robots capable of printing homes from recycled materials, which significantly reduces waste and construction costs. Instead of traditional building processes that take months, this technology allows large structural components to be produced extremely quickly, making the entire construction process far more efficient. By combining advanced robotics with sustainable materials, Or Printed Homes offers an innovative solution to modern housing challenges. Another major advantage of this system is its affordability and speed. Homes produced with this method can cost about 30% less than traditional houses, making them more accessible to buyers. For example, an 84 square meter home costs around 200,000, which is significantly cheaper compared to conventional construction methods. In addition, the robotic printing technology can save up to 70% of construction time, and some building parts can even be produced in as little as 4 days. This rapid production dramatically shortens project timelines. Sustainability is another key feature of this technology. Every 11 square meters of printed housing structure can recycle around 100,000 plastic bottles, helping reduce environmental pollution while creating durable homes. By turning plastic waste into building materials, or printed homes not only addresses housing shortages, but also contributes to solving the global plastic waste problem. PERI Verocator System. PERI is one of the world's leading manufacturers of formwork and scaffolding systems used in large construction projects. The company is known for developing advanced engineering technologies that simplify complex building processes. One of their innovative solutions is the Verocator Balance Cantilever System, which is designed specifically for building bridges and other large concrete structures. The Verocator system allows engineers to construct bridge segments in a balanced and highly controlled way. Each section of the bridge can reach lengths of up to 575 meters and weigh as much as 300 tons, depending on the design requirements. One of the most impressive features of this system is its flexibility, allowing the construction of bridges that are not only straight, but also curved or spiral shape, making it ideal for modern infrastructure projects. In addition, the Verocator system includes built-in automation that helps engineers precisely control construction parameters. It can also integrate with other PERI equipment such as hoists and working platforms, which improves safety and efficiency on the construction site. By combining modular components and advanced engineering, the Verocator system helps construction teams complete complex bridge projects more quickly and with greater precision.